Leave the worry of daily messes behind. Introducing ICLEBO O5, the intelligent cleaning robot that lets you do more by cleaning less. Its dirt detection sensor automatically identifies dusty areas and changes the power level for perfect suction on every floor. Unlike other vacuums that bump around randomly, leaving missed spots, ICLEBO uses an advanced camera system to navigate and map your whole home for an optimal route. Use the app to control ICLEBO, set boundaries, and create custom cleaning modes. It can even run late at night with its Whisper Quiet function. ICLEBO's specially designed shape and extendable brushes reach deep into pesky corners, and a powerful blade tackles dust, dirt, and stubborn pet hair without getting tangled. ICLEBO is also compatible with your smart home. ICLEBO, welcome to better living.